മത്സര പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുണ്ട് കൂടെ. റൂട്ടേഴ്സ് കാലിക്കറ്റ്. ചാപ്റ്റർ 1 മിഡീവൽ ഇന്ത്യ പാർട്ട് 2 വിജയനഗര എംപയർ. 1. Who established the Vijayanagara Empire? Answer: Harihara and Bukka. 2. In which year was the Vijayanagara Empire established? Answer: 1336. 3. Which was the capital of Vijayanagara Empire? Answer: Hampi. 4. On which river bank is Hampi located? Answer: Tungabhadra. 5. In which state of India Hampi, the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, situated? Answer: Karnataka. 6. Which are the 4 dynasties ruled the Vijayanagara Empire? Answer: Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu. 7. Who were the founders of Sangama dynasty? Answer: Harihara and Bukka. 8. Who was the founder of Saluva dynasty? Answer: Narasimha Saluva. 9. Who was the founder of Tuluva dynasty? Answer: Veera Narasimha. 10. Who was the founder of Aravidu dynasty? Answer: Tirumala. 11. The most famous ruler of the Vijayanagara Empire, Krishnadevaraya, belonged to which dynasty? Answer: Tuluva dynasty. 12. Which are the 2 famous literary works by Krishnadevaraya? Answer: Amukta-Malyada and Jambavati Kalyana. 13. Krishnadevaraya's court scholars known as? Answer: Ashtadhiggajas. 'Tenali Rama was a famous member of the Ashtadhiggajas. 14. Military commanders of Vijayanagara Empire were known as? Answer: Amara Nayakas. 15. Name the territory of the Vijayanagara Empire where the military commanders were given the right to collect taxes. Answer: Amara. 16. Who were the Portuguese travelers who visited Vijayanagara Empire? Answer: Duarte Barbosa and Domingo Paez. 17. How was the Vijayanagara Empire divided for administrative convenience? Answer: Mandalam, Nadu, Sthala and Grama. 18. In the Vijayanagara Empire, local traders involved in horse trading were known as? Answer: Kudirachettis. 19. The war which causes decline of the Vijayanagara Empire. Answer: Battle of Talikota in 1565. 20. Who was the ruler of Vijayanagara who built the Hasara Rama temple and Vithala Swami temple? Answer: Krishna Devaraya. 21. Who was the Italian traveler who visited Vijayanagara Empire? Answer: Niccolo Conti. 22. Who was the Russian traveler who visited the Vijayanagara Empire? Answer: Athanasius Nigidin. 23. The style of sculpture which was dominant in the Vijayanagara Empire known as? Answer: Dravidian style of sculpture. A major feature of Vijayanagara sculpture was the massive temple gateways known as Gopurams. The Vijayanagara Empire's territory covered the lands of the modern-day Indian states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Goa.
കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.